But you cannot see where I have spilled. I spilled here, and here, and here, and here. Oh no, that was on my other dress. John Michael stole my birthday cake, and Jenna Walker tried to take my crunch and munch. It wasn't fair. I grabbed the punch, I climbed the chair, and then I fell and punch went everywhere. On the chair, on his shoes, in her hair, but it wasn't on my party dress. John Michaels once made fun of soccer, so I shoved him in a locker. I play soccer and I play the flute. I do art and discovery camp and tumbling and t-ball and I play piano every night. My dad says I'm a prodigy, but I think I would rather be the FBI or CIA, a secret spy who saves the day. And when I finish saving them, I'll play oh do joy in Jujon Ferry Jacques Allegro, the Pachelbel Cannon, and also this song I wrote. La 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 la. It has words I'm a spy, and it's really fun, and I wear a cape and do you like my party dress? When I do pirouettes at Russell's, I buy all my clothes in Brussels. Dad says that's where Brussels sprouts are from. Brussels and Paris and Vienna. And this one time we pretended to go to Rome, but we went to Iceland. And in Iceland, my dad presided over an international corporate trade hearing. That was a secret. Sorry, Dad. And we saw the rush. We kept ballet. My dance class is on Saturdays. Miss Laura and Miss Lisa say I'm much more bright than I appear. I shall say right. It's very clear.